Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're wrapping up our color name converter series with part 3. In this video we'll explore even more advanced color models, CMYK, YIQ, and YCBCR, and see how they can be visualized as PNG images. Let's get started. As always, open your browser, head to onlinepngtools.com, and select Color Name Converter. This free tool lets you turn color codes from dozens of formats into PNG visuals. In this part, we'll look at 3 fascinating examples. In our first example, we explore the CMYK color model, which is commonly used in printing. We create a sequence of 16 colors by gradually adjusting cyan, magenta, yellow, and black components. The first block shows pure cyan, the 6th reveals pure magenta, the 11th highlights pure yellow, and the final block displays pure black. The colors in between form smooth gradients between these bases. We stack the blocks vertically, set each block to 500 pixels wide and 60 pixels tall, keep the background transparent, and turn off the color labels for a clean look. The result is a neat vertical CMYK scale that demonstrates how the model builds colors by mixing inks. Next, we move to the YIQ color model, which was originally used in analog television. Here, the Y channel controls brightness, the I channel adjusts the hue on the orange-blue axis, and the Q channel adjusts hue on the purple-green axis. We visualize 6 values at the extremes of these ranges, stacking them vertically with a transparent background, spacing of 5 pixels, and padding of 5 pixels. Each block is 600 pixels wide and 80 pixels tall, with labels turned on. This makes it easy to see how YIQ balances brightness and color differences in unique ways. Our final example compares the standard YCBCR color model with the YCBCR2 variant. The standard YCBCR uses a limited value range, while YCBCR2 extends it to the full 8-bit range. We create 6 color pairs, where the left block shows the limited range YCBCR, and the right block shows the full range YCBCR2. The colors are arranged horizontally, each 125 pixels wide and 500 pixels tall, with transparent background, labels enabled. The result clearly shows how brightness and saturation vary between the two models, making this comparison very visual and easy to understand. And that completes part 3 of our color name converter series. We've explored CMYK, YIQ, and YCBCR models, visualized them, and compared how each one works. This tool makes it simple to understand color spaces in a hands-on way. If you haven't already, be sure to check out part 1 and part 2 of this series, where we explored HSV spectrums, grayscale gradients, transparency blending, and more. Thanks for watching! Try these examples yourself on onlinepngtools.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more tutorials on the simplest tools online.